Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today I'm joined by Chris. Chris, why are you here today?
I just have a long commute to work and was also feeling some backache recently when I was sitting down in the car. And I also can imagine there's the temperature differences with AC cooled down rooms and outside. So
yeah, so obviously Chris is here for a treatment today. We've just done the physical examination, so we can start directly with the treatment. So, 来吧. So upon inspection, we can see that Chris's left leg is actually quite significantly longer than the right one. This seems to be due to pelvic misalignment, so this is something that we're going to correct. Good. Pressure okay?
yeah.
Good. Okay. So I'm going to give you a little push here, okay? Just take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Good. Very good. Probably felt that one, huh?
It can be, I felt like some movement.
Yeah. So can you just relax for me, okay? Good. Very good. There you go. Good. You alright? Good. Just take a deep breath in and out. Good. Very good. And half. And breathe in. And out. Good. Very good. And half. And half. Pretty much the same now. Good. Good. 准备好打包架了吗? Are you ready for the 打包架?
Yes.
Good. 来吧, let's go.太高了. And out. Good. Very good. Probably felt that one, huh?
Yeah, I was.
That's okay. Good. Yeah, relax. I'm gonna pop your neck, okay?
I like neck popping.
Well, we'll see what we can do. Here, and relax for me, okay? Good. Very good. And one more time. Good. Good. And let's see. Cool. Treatment is done. How do you feel, Chris?
Relaxed and relieved and like ranked in the right spot.
Right. Very nice. Awesome. Glad you feel better. So I'm Dr. Alex, Chris from ChiroCare, ChiroCareCN, 下次见，再见，拜拜。